Alright, yeah, so here's my dilemma. Next to me is the mother of my children. So that's part of the problem. Do I act like I didn't hear it and we just go on our merry way? Or do I say what I want to say? What is your problem? Now look, I know they said for better and for worse. And they didn't even say that at our wedding. That was the worst fart. You know what? You better be glad you gave me some kids, because I should kick you out my car. And not only my car, I should kick you out my life. And then you gonna just go on about your merry way like you ain't done nothing. And it smell? It smell like old Capri Suns, dog vomit, and that horrible food you cooked last week. I should, girl, if I wouldn't save, I'd backhand you right now. All right, baby, let's go have some fun. I love you.
Yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, people act like they know me, but you don't really know me.